Welcome to your new home. So glad you were able to come out today. This is a beautiful property here in Citrus Springs, Florida, which is a golf course and family-friendly community on the Nature Coast. And as you'll see, this house has very nice formal dining and living room areas, nice rounded accent doorways, deco nooks throughout, beautiful windows, sliders out to the large lanai, nice open concept kitchen, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Some of the major highlights, besides the fact that you have 4 generously sized bedrooms in this home, you also have a roof that was put on in 2018. And in addition to the roof, the new roof, you have solar panels. So this house is completely powered independently by solar electric, and the bill, you have to pay the minimum electric bill, but that's $35 a month, and then potentially a credit at the end of the year for the amount of power that you've been able to generate. So very, very efficient, economic home. And then also the HVAC was replaced. The air conditioning system was replaced in 2019. So that's another big ticket item that has been taken care of. We have 2 full bathrooms in this house. And this is the guest hall, has the laundry closet, fully equipped with the washer and dryer ready to go. This is the 3rd guest room. And then we'll wander to the other side of the home and take a look at the master bedroom and bath. Brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring in this house. Very easy maintenance, so in addition to the economical electricity, you also have easy maintenance finishes and updates. This is the master bedroom. Again, deco nooks, so you can decorate this space to your liking. We've already got the built-in stand for the TV and a nice walk-in closet here with a shoe rack. Master bathroom has the walk-in shower, a single vanity, just the right setup for your private bathroom. We have the kitchen with a nice pantry. These are tile floors in the kitchen. This door here goes out to the 2-car garage. It is full of boxes and items as they're preparing to move, so I'm not going to take you out there, but it's a nice sized garage as well. And we have a 2-car carport off of the lanai. You can see it fits a good sized boat at the moment, but you could certainly store other things under that covered area. And then out here, we have the dream sun tanning setup. So you've got the hammock, you've got the plants, you've got your margarita glass, you've got your fire pit. Beautiful area, privacy fenced yard. You can lay here all day, get a nice tan. One thing to note about this space is there was at one time it was plumbed for an above ground pool. You could certainly put a pool here again. This would be a nice size pool. We already have the pool equipment ready to go, so you'd be all set with that. Finally, one of the really great features of this home that you don't see very often is all of the windows have hurricane screens. So these act as normal window screens, but they're also very heavy duty, high impact, so that if in the event we have a hurricane, we usually dodge the bullet on those, but if we do have a hurricane where there's high winds, your windows are all protected. You're not going to have to worry about a broken window, because anything that would happen to hit those windows is going to bounce right off. And then for the sliders, we have the hurricane shutters that pull across as well. So completely safe and sound and protected. And that's a big deal in Florida. So lots and lots and lots of upgrades on this house. I do hope that you will let me know if you are interested in this house. My number is 352-476-3303. Let me know what questions you have, and I'd be happy to schedule a private showing for you. Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.